Welcome back to the channel. We are about to crandle this fender NBD, all right? NBD, you know what I'm saying? Shoot or shoot, take your shoot. Here you go, Jim. Here we go. We have just finished the 2023 Range Rover Sport. Check it out. Boy. What we got here is a 3M satin dark gray metallic 2023 Range Rover Sport. And you know what's cool? Check this out. We've got to take off all the badging to wrap this thing, and they were loving it without the badging. Not sure what they were doing with this part right here. It's just got nothing. It's straight black. Same thing with here, but it had this little action going on right here, so I decided just to put a little wrap right there. I think it'll look a lot better. They loved it. The back super clean. Check this out. We've also done tints, 20s. This baby was straight off the lot, straight off the truck, actually. Handles pop out, which are sick. Action. She is a gem, folks. For all longboard clips right here. Set, go. Alright guys, we got a lot of action today. We've got Dion Dawkins coming in with his S63 AMG. We've got the GTR going a new color. We've got a lot of stuff going on, okay? Custom Built Nation, go follow, go subscribe right now. We've got a lot of action coming up, so stay tuned.
We're gonna set the engine in, get it mounted, and then make sure all the connectors and stuff fit. Figure out how we want to route it all so that way you get the cleanest look. Essentially, we just have the main harness coming through the firewall there on the passenger side. From there, we can kind of route everything else. Yep, tuck it all super nice, super clean.
I'm looking for a good tuck, right?
Oh, we're going full tuck. Clean up the engine bay, get it sprayed, and then pull out the factory fuel lines, run stainless braided. Stainless braided. We'll probably do like a 8AN and 6AN feed and return. Yeah, we'll make them all in-house. Really? I honestly am surprised that this car ran with the harness that was in it.
It was ripping.
I can't believe it.
We're about to pop this brisket in.
Move that one.
Let's go.
Just let that go.
What I'm going to do with the trans is, since there's no clutch on it, with just the input shaft, we can pretty much get it flush up to the bell housing of the motor right there, and then we can cut out, because we're going to have to cut the tunnel out. Lower down there, Danielson.
Get that fuel line real there.
Keep her going, keep her going, keep her going. You're good, keep her going, keep her going. You're looking mighty fine. Keep her going, stop. I'll move it up like an inch. Alright, lower about an inch and a half. Keep her going. How are you looking over there?
Good.
Keep her going.
He's got the rack, the oil pan's gonna touch. I'm in.
I think it's black now.
Perfect. It's like LSs were meant for RX-7s, you know? Who needs a rotary? Who needs one, dude? Junk. Junk. I know.
I'm with the old.
His Rander's taking over this build here, or what? Ticker Jones. What's up? Can you tell us what's going on? Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing the rear diff. Just a quick flush, no big deal. But it does have a billet, rear diff, internals and whatnot, all that good stuff. It's quite heavy. Ticker Jones, if you guys don't know who Ticker Jones is, he is the master tack of the building, okay? He owns this beautiful R34. Just kidding, it's an R32. It's a single dingle, so she's sporting out some pretty ponies. Everybody, what's next, Ticker? Can we pop this brisket open or what?
Just waiting on Connor so we can catch some of the fluid and just check it.
Whoa, 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 Tick J. What's up there?
The fill plug. And you should always do the fill before the drain. Because if you drain it and can't get the fill out, you kind of fucked.
Oh, Ticker J Jones the third.
That's brand new.
Man,
Yeah,
I can see it.
It's brand new.
It's still blue.
I'm sorry.
Brand
Should we just close it up and pour more in? And we're gonna be filling her up with a little bit of juice. Nismo, Motul, competition Rapper Jones here.
Pump it up, buddy. Pump up the jam.
So we've got Paul Cantu here. We've got Rayshad.
Oh, go ahead.
We're gonna be doing Paul's front windshield. I got her in there now. This shit sucks, man. I don't know how he does it. What's going on here, Andrew? What are we tinting today?
Tinted GTR, R35,
What percent we got here?
35%.
I'm gonna do some splattering today, boys. This is too boring for me. You know, we've got to get some action on this. Oh, there it is! That was the one, boys! That was the one! That last one! Just made it. Here, guys. I have a dog named Thor, and he's part of this trans now.